Hi, this is Rainbow Rising Freedom. I just want to talk briefly about envy. I feel like it's a theme of the day. Um, so much clarity is coming to the surface when it comes to certain deliberate entrapments and weaving reality for you of people who actually worship who you are, praise your energy, but want to literally milk you and utilize it for themselves. You might be facing all these intuitive flashes coming to the surface and not actually willing to retaliate. I mean, why would you? Someone who's healed and whole, if you're watching this, you probably are somewhere along your journey already when it comes to healing. We just want to be happy and focus on improving ourselves, being better to other people, and breaking the patterns. And basically aiming for freedom and focusing on something that did not serve us, focusing on the past, on limitation, is just a waste of time, even though we can travel in time. So when it comes to jealousy and envy, at some point you just read people's voice and you already know their intention. They might be smiling and asking how you are, but you can hear the snake hissing, right? There's no need to fight back, be mean back. You probably won't even have to curb these feelings because they won't even be there. And the reason for that is because you have better things to do. You have something to create. You have a book to write. You have nice music to listen to or create or play or sing or just exist. In the current split, where some of us are going to Eden, to paradise, to witness beautiful relationships, to be part of wonderful communities. Some people we're splitting up with, they will have to do the work. They will be forced to do the work. They're just on a different path, and there is no need to punish anyone. Anyone who's ever been spiteful, tried to push you, mock you, these are people who are just heartbroken that they can't have what you are. They can't have you. They can't own you. They can't be you. You didn't even know that you have any value to them. Who is them? It can be this group or another. It can be this nationality or another. Ultimately, it's all energy and it's lower vibration that's pushing against you. This is a battle of vibration currently on the planet, and I feel the more you focus on you and what brings you joy, the more you're winning. It's as simple as that. So don't let anyone pull you into gossip, slandering other people's names. Don't let anyone to turn you against anyone. People like to team up against someone, right? To feel strong, to feel powerful. And you have this poem to write. You have these new pink boots to try on. You might be resonating with the energy of Jasper. check out the spiritual significance of that crystal. I think it basically works around protection and self-empowerment. So the more you pour into yourself at the moment, the more you pour into the world. You have to start with yourself. That's what I've been told recently. There's so many battles that you could fight right now, but still you choose to be peaceful and you choose joy. So it's like you're the eye of the storm. There's chaos, breakups, endings, fights happening around you, and you're just still. You've prepared for that. Some of you might be intuitively knowing what you're being asked and guided to prepare. Some of you might be getting flashes of paving the way for somebody else, because we already feel what's coming for the planet. I've been getting Noah, prepare your ark. You have to prepare your ground for yourself. You'll be paving it, but you're preparing for others, to support others, because maybe they won't be ready. They don't know what's coming. So you're that first waver, and you'll be bringing other people with you if they choose to. That's another thing. You won't be asked to save anyone anymore. Like, you are you, and you being you, joyfully you, creatively, naturally you, is already the answer. There's no point to convince or be, forceful with your beliefs, with your understanding of the world. Peace and peace off and peace out. And when it comes to those who set traps on you by employing you as a nanny, as a caregiver, those who wanted to turn your sacred energy into money, Spirit says karma will turn up in your children. So you don't even have to do anything. I had this situation a couple of years ago when I was actually invited to a place for an interview, a very long process to work with children. It was a setup. The boy wasn't autistic at all. He was just trained by his mom to pretend that he is for the specific situation. And then I was treated with a very weird meal. I was so much less suspicious than I am right now. And when I realized what game was played on me, I just channeled that message, you just leave it, and their children will be their karma. So that's it. Everybody had a choice, and we don't have to carry them on our backs anymore. You're free.